Here is BeReal app. In this tutorial I will try to show you some hidden features, probably which you didn't know or didn't understand about BeReal app. This app actually has a lot of hideouts and some tricky features which for new users is hard to figure out. So here is BeReal, and yeah, I guess you already understand how this app works, but if you just want to know a bit more, here it is. You need to post a picture every day, one picture, and then you will be able to see your friends here in the app. So what will happen if you miss that? Nothing happens. You can post a late BeReal. Even if you miss few days, weeks, doesn't matter, you can still post it. Now a lot of people, users, are asking can you post a second picture or something? So no problem. There is no need to post a second picture, because if you see, I'm posting here and BeReal automatically captures my selfie, or if I post with a front camera, it automatically is here. But for a lot of users, that's the question. Then how to change privacy of it? So here is your audience. There are just two types of audiences in BeReal app. There is my friends only, share it only with your friends, and discovery. Discovery is shared with everyone on BeReal. So if you do that, you will just make a public post if you want to do that. There is also my friends only, which will be shared with your friends. So if you have 7 friends, it will be shared in their friends feed, my friends feed, if they posted their BeReal. There is no option to post completely private BeReal just for yourself. Then there is location. You can turn on location services, you can disable them. By the default, this is disabled, and you can turn off your location if you don't want to. So then let's just tap send and we will upload our BeReal. Here it is. After the recent update, you can already post a caption. So here you can post a caption. You can easily add it or delete this caption. Then one of the hidden features is actually, so now you can see BeReal from other people. And if you zoom in just near username, you will be able to see a number of screenshots. So some people are taking screenshots of BeReal, and that's what you will be able to see.